Welcome to my vlog! 여러분, 안녕하세요! Hi everyone! So, for today's vlog, let's talk about the rainy weather. It will be just a short chika-chika. Short bluffing. So, yeah. Sorry for the background noise.
Let me ask you something. What do you feel when the rain pours down? Do you hate it or do you love it? Kasi ako, I really love it. I really love when the rain pours really hard. Kahit natakot ako if sobrang lakas nung kulog at kidlat. The rain really have this special effect on me. When it starts to rain, I can't feel any of my negative feelings. I don't even feel sad nor stressed. All I can feel is the sense of relief, happiness, and calmness. My mind was even at peace, and my heart was calm. And for me, that's one of the best feeling ever, to be able to feel the calmness within you, even in the short period of time, and to experience to be at peace with the help of the rain pouring down. We might miss the sunshine when the rain pours down, but we can't deny the fact that we won't feel complete without feeling this too, the sunshine and the rain.